Hello everyone, this is Saurabh once again, and here is another interesting video of Circuit Digest. So basically this project actually uses two things. One is the Arduino and another one is the N76E003 controller. So basically these two devices are communicating with each other in SPI, and this device is the master, this device is the slave. So basically two different microcontroller are communicating with each other. This device will transmit data to this one and it will receive it and again return back our data. So this is done over here, and we will print these two value into separate serial monitor. So as we can see, it is already connected with the USB cord, and here if we tilt the camera a little bit, we can see that here is the CP2102 connected with my laptop. So this will print the UART data over here. So we will use Teraterm software for getting the data of CP2102 from here, and we will check the Arduino data from the Arduino ID serial monitor. So let's see how it is working. Let me zoom a bit to the coding section. Just a minute please. Yeah, it's now okay. So as you can see, here is the code section. So code section, and the code section is available over here. So we will just basically directly jump to the serial monitor and check what is happening before getting into the detail. So here is the code that is shown over here. This is basically the Arduino code, and as we can see, here is the serial begin that will begin the serial monitor, and here is the pin mode, that is the MISO output, and it is acting as a slave. So it will send a data SPDER to 0x4E. This data will be get sent to the N76E003, and we will check whether this data is available or not, and it will receive data over here. So we will also print the data that is available here, and we will get the output. So this is the situation. We are printing the hex value and all, and let's start the serial plot menu. So let me first turn on the Teraterm. This will print the data of N76E003. One 15200. So this is one, and we will also print the Arduino data. So this is the serial monitor over here. Let me tilt the camera a little bit further. So both are available over here. Let me reset it a bit so I can just make it to the thing. I'm just resetting it, and the data that is printed over here is slave return the value 4E00, and it is received the data 90, hex 90. I'm not sure if you can check the data a bit more. Let's see, 4E00, and the data received is 90. So this is basically sending the first data, that is 90, that is getting printed over here, and it is transmitting back to the 4E00 and stop the data sending. So as we can see, the SPI is now working. So the code related operations and all is available on the Circuit Digest website. So go through it. Happy learning. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.